Well, just want you to see I polished the car, the glass coat. This is a new 2018 Chrysler 300S. It's didn't need a lot of polishing, but I just want you to see this is a cloudy day in Ohio. You can see the reflection of the trees. This thing shines up. I have done it once. I just washed it. I did not very good with the words here, but it shines up better than anything I've ever seen. I've had it in rain, had it washed. It's hydrophobic, as they say. Literally just washed the car and hosed it off at the car washing place thing, and ended up having to do really nothing but drive it down the street and wipe it down with a towel. And you can see what it looks like. So, highly recommend it. I'll tell you how it lasts in the long run, but this is not a well thought out or well rehearsed video, but I just wanted you to see that what this stuff does.